Yes, welcome to Kenya Houses Investments Company Limited. It's a company that was started by a group of professionals, that is the architect, the engineer, the contractors, property developers, bankers, and other professionals from the real estate coming together to come up with a company, to form a company that can finance, can construct, and can also do water drilling services to any person within the country and out of the country. As a company, mostly we are based in Eldoret, and we deliver services across the country: Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Burundi, Congo Kinshasa, Somalia, South Sudan, and other parts of Africa like Morocco, Nigeria, Zambia, Zimbabwe, in partnership with other companies of the same interest. We as a company, we do construction of the services. That is our main core function. We do house financing and construction services. This is the example of the construction. This is the example of the site that we are doing, other parts of the country. This is an example of the maisonette, a home maisonette, and it's a 5-bedroom house. Apart from the home constructions, we also do commercial houses or rental houses. We also do hospitals, churches, petrol stations. Also, we construct any structure, including the dairy farms, dairy sheds for the livestock. We also construct mosques and other religious centers. We are well equipped with the personnel that are well skilled, and also the equipment that we are using that are updated. We can engage with the client in terms of coming up with the affordable payment term, where he can raise a certain amount of money for us to start the construction or any project. And also, in case he fails to pay the rest, then we can finance a certain percentage of the construction cost, and the remaining balance the client can finish payment within the period that we have agreed. As a company also, we consider the quality of materials. We consider the requirements of the construction, like government compliance, the insurance covers, and also the safety of our personnel at work. We also look at the welfare of our personnel in terms of food, accommodation, and also transport. We also take care of the health of our staff, and also to make sure the environment that they are working in is clean, and also the environment is human. We also train other people. We motivate our staff to come up with to be very competent, and also to come up with a finished work. As a company, we liaise with other companies. For example, when we do construction in this country, across the country, we liaise with other companies. We liaise with the other professionals of the same interest, that is engineers, the quantity surveyors, and other professionals like the architects, the physical planners, among other skilled and professional people. When we go outside, when we deliver services in other countries, we comply with the government regulations of those countries, and also we coordinate and work together with the companies in those countries to come up with a project that is well finished for the client satisfaction. We are appealing all the clients to come to us as a company, because Kenya Houses has the capacity to construct houses, and also to do water drilling projects, and including pump equipping, and also tower and plumbing, and also irrigation, that is drip irrigation, and all kinds of water connections. We are well equipped with all facilities that are required. Our prices are very much affordable and negotiable. We are so convenient, available, and also reliable to all parts of the country and other parts of this African continent. We are requesting the client, we are appealing people to apply for our services, to come to us, to our company, because our company is looking at the quality of the work. The company is also the focus of the company is to make sure that the client is safe with the money, and also he or she has got the quality finished work that he has paid for. We are very convenient, and we work in conjunction with the government agencies to make sure that the chances of accidents, the chances of losses, the chances of problems is minimal. What are the construction steps? What are the house construction steps? Step one is the documentation, necessary documentation required for construction project. If I say documentation, I mean the drawings, the house plans, the reports, and also any other document that is required as per the government policy. For example, here in Kenya, you need to have the drawings. One, you need to have also to comply with the other reports, environment reports, and also, when I say drawings, I mean the architectural drawings. Architectural drawings. Also, we need structural drawings and the bills of quantities. These are the documents that are drafted, or they are prepared by the professionals. That is the architect, the structural engineer, and the quantity surveyor. So the architectural plans show the elevations of the house, the floors, the partitionings, and the position of the house. That is the architectural. The structural drawings shows the strength and the load bearing of a house. The load bearing, that is the steel fixing, the skeletal part of the house, or the load bearing, and also the strength, or the structure and the strength and the load bearing of the house. Those are the structural drawings done by the structural engineer. Lastly, we have got the quotations done by the quantity surveyor. We call them bills of quantities. Bills of quantities, it is a report of detailed costs of the project in every stages, in terms of preparation of the documentation, preparation of the site, and also site setting until finishing of the work. Those all costs involved is under the bills of quantities, a report called bills of quantities, prepared by the quantity surveyor. So those are the main documents needed for the house construction. Okay. Now, when it comes to a house construction, also it depends. If it's a structural house like this one, then you must have the structural drawing. If it's a bungalow, like a simple house, you only need the architectural drawing. Okay. So structural drawings applies to mostly those complicated structures that are of either slab roofing, or the stairs or floor, the step, that is the step floor, that is ground floor, first floor, and so on. That they need structural. Okay, so those are the documentation needed for house construction in the entire world. Those are the required documents needed. Number two is to comply with the government. Different countries have got different regulations, so you need to comply with the government where you are constructing from. So from there and then you do preparation of the site. After site preparations, you come up with the site setting. You do the site setting, then you do excavation of the house, the excavation, then blinding or blundering, then you come to foundation raising, that is before you do slabbing. So those are the steps involved in terms of construction. Most people, they fear about construction. Construction is not expensive if you have the right people. Construction is not expensive if you have the right company. So we are requesting and appealing the people entire world to come to us for the construction, because we are considerable, we are also affordable. For us to construct for you, for any kind of the house you need, either a hotel, a restaurant, any commercial house, or a home, we are available, and also we look at your budget and we advise here and then. For those who are inquiring about the how much does it cost to construct a house, how much does it cost to construct a project, you can come to us, then we can organize a meeting with you as a client so that we can advise you 1, 2, 3 on the cost of the house that you want. It depends of the house you want, so that we can help you with the budget that you want.